We're at the Manning School in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland, and we're seeing firsthand the devastating effects of Hurricane Melissa on this institution. Though the school has been ravaged by the storm, the students are still preparing with earnest to do their best at Champs. Stay tuned as we find out from Coach Hughes and the student athletes how they're managing to push through for Champs 2026.
If there's such a term as total devastation, that would have been the term used to describe the entire thing. We still have a number of students that we would have started out with in September, and there are some persons who live in communities where light is still not there, and so we have to have them come in earlier, because as you know, our school is on a stagger system. Not all the students turn up. Even right now, we don't have everybody here today. And there are some persons who are in MAC exam and all of these things, the 5th and 6th formers. So we have to look on that aspect of their life too.
From the past of Hurricane Melissa, it hasn't been good. It hasn't been a good feeling. We feel like nothing else is there to be done. But we didn't think there was going to be a season after this.
The whole experience, considering it was my, second bad hurricane, it was a bit traumatizing, to say the least. But I had to push through and know that it was a very crucial year for me, so I have to come here and put my best foot forward and do my best. Melissa really tore up my house, but I had to come back here and put my best foot forward and do my best.
My roof was destroyed, but for my teammates and friends, it was something far worse. So my aim was to really help others around me and my family to help build back. So I did whatever I could do, whether it was helping someone fix their roof, putting up tarpaulin, looking for a friend, sharing some word of thought.
The word that we are using at the moment to try to motivate kids is resilience. See, we sometimes have to take a step back to make a comeback. And so what we're seeing with these kids is just to turn up is victory in itself.
Sometimes we say we cannot do this, we cannot do that. He said you can do it, you just have to believe in yourself. Because for you to make a change, you have to make a change in yourself first and believe in yourself before others to go out there and believe in you.
Well, I can tell you this, that the strength comes from the Almighty, certainly, and from the students and staff who is constantly around you, trying to see how best they can assist or they can continue what it is that exists before the hurricane in our own environment. So I draw my strength from all of that.
When I first started out, it was a bit rocky because nobody really wanted me to come here and focus on track and field. But as I progressed and I showed them that I can compete, and I went to Western Champs for the first time and I got my medal, I then got the support from my families and my friends. Everybody was, in support of it and cheering for me.
Those medals were very proud to me because this was nothing supposed to happen, nothing supposed to go on, and yet persons still rose above all of those things and produced. So we're really appealing to all the individuals out there in our diaspora. Alumni, they always come on board to help. And we are again asking you to help these kids, cross the bridge, because they'll come back to help another child or children better yet.
But we have to go out there, put God first, we pray about it, we talk about it, just go out there, push and show them out. We still got something and we still got confidence.
Star athletes of the Manning School, Western Union is honored to be here again to donate $300,000 to your track and field program. When we visited here in 2024, we were really moved by the historical significance of this school and, of course, your surroundings and how you've managed to preserve it after so many centuries. Today, we're seeing that the devastation has really wreaked havoc on this school. But what has remained consistent is your school spirit and your team spirit and your drive to continue pushing.
Vita sin literis mors est. Life without learning is death. Blue blood! Thank you, Western Union.
Every Western Union money transfer fuels the future of Jamaican athletics. Please join us in doubling the impact. Match our contribution of $300,000 to this school by donating a portion of your remittances through the GK1 app. Though they're recovering from Hurricane Melissa, these young athletes are still doing their best to race to the finish line. Download the GK1 app to send or receive Western Union money transfers and donate to your school today. Let's go further together.